Welcome to mathematics class, Matrices part 12. Today, we are going to discuss one of the important topics in this chapter. Solving the system of simultaneous equations in three variables by using Cramer's rule. In intermediate, we have three matrix methods to solve simultaneous equations in three variables, and one of them is Cramer's rule. It is very important concept, solving the simultaneous equations in this chapter. Long answer type questions will be asked in the exam. Very, very important for your exam point of view. The first one, let us consider the Cramer's rule. How to solve the given system of simultaneous equations by using this Cramer's rule. Now consider the given system of equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3 be the given system of simultaneous equations in three variables x, y, z. The first step, convert the algebraic equations into matrix equation. Whereas the a1, b1, c1 are the coefficients of first equation, coefficients of x, y, z in first equation. A2, B2, C2 are the coefficients of x, y, z in second equation. And A3, B3, C3 are the coefficients of x, y, z in third equation. So this is the first matrix. Let us name it as A. This is coefficient matrix. And the second one, x, y, z, it is the variable matrix. Name it as capital X. And D1, D2, D3 is the third matrix, that is constant matrix. In first step, we convert the equations into matrix in three matrices. And if you name them as A, X, D, this A into X is equal to D is the matrix equation. దీన్ని మాత్రిక సమీకరణం అంటాం. So in first step, we have to convert the given equations into matrix equation. So where this A first matrix is called coefficient matrix, and second X is variable matrix, and the third is constant matrix, స్థిర మాత్రిక. X చలరాశి మాత్రిక, A గుణక మాత్రిక, గుణకాల చేత ఏర్పడే మాత్రిక. In second step, consider four determinants. The first one, delta, is the determinant of the coefficient matrix A. A యొక్క నిర్ధారకాన్ని డెల్టా అనుకుంటాం. And the second determinant delta 1 is the determinant of D1, D2, D3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Here in coefficient matrix, if you replace the first column A1, A2, A3 with D1, D2, D3 and the determinant obtained by this matrix, which is the first column is replaced by the D constant matrix D1, D2, D3. So that is delta 1. And the determinant obtained by replacing the second column in A by D1, D2, D3, that is D constant matrix, is delta 2. And the determinant obtained by replacing the third column in A coefficient matrix by the constant matrix D1, D2, D3 is delta 3. So after calculating the four determinants, ఈ 4 నిర్ధారకాలను కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత, then the solution will be sadhana x is equal to delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta. So this is the procedure in Cramer's rule to find solutions for simultaneous equations in 3 variables. ఇది క్రామర్ పద్ధతిలో ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమీకరణ వ్యవస్థ యొక్క సాధన కనుక్కోవడానికి ఇది పద్ధతి. Now let us consider some problems from the textbook exercise 3H. The question will be asked like this: solve the following simultaneous system of simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule, or solve the following equations by using Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. Cramer పద్ధతిలో ఈ క్రింది సమీకరణ వ్యవస్థను సాధించండి. In first step, convert them into matrix equation. The first matrix is coefficient matrix. In first equation, the coefficients of x, y, z in first equations 1, 1, 1. Coefficients of x, y, z in second equation 2, 2, 3. Coefficients of x, y, z in third equation 1, 4, 9. So this is the first matrix, the x, y, z. Second matrix, and 1, 6, 3, the constants is the third matrix. So the name it first matrix as A, second matrix as X, and third as D. See, this is AX is equal to D is the matrix equation, where A is equal to this one, X, D. Now consider delta as the determinant of A, delta 1, the determinant of the matrix, which is the first column replaced by 163, and delta 2, the first column replaced by the second column replaced by 163, delta 3, third column replaced by 163. Now let us calculate the determinants. First determinant delta over the first row elements, 1 into, we know how to calculate the determinant in previous classes. You should be perfect in calculating the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. We take first element 1 into the except the two elements which are below the element below the first element and take the remaining 4 elements. ఈ మొదటి మూలకము 1 కింద ఉన్నటువంటి 2 మూలకాలను వదిలిపెట్టి మిగిలినటువంటి 4 మూలకాలను నిర్ధారకంగా రాసుకోవాలి. అదే విధంగా ద సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ రో 1 ఉంది, దీనికి గుర్తు మార్చాలి. ఇదంతా ఎందుకు మార్చాలి అనేది మనం కోఫాక్టర్స్ లో తెలుసుకున్నాం. నిర్ధారకం కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు, అడ్జాయింట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు we discussed all these things in detail. So this is the procedure to find determinant. So for second element we change the sign. +1 we write -1, and except the 2 numbers which are below the middle, that is 2 4, except 2 4, take the remaining 4 2 1 3 9, and for the third element 1, except 3 9, take the remaining 4 elements. So this is the procedure, and further simplifying, we know 2 by 2 determinant AD minus BC, just cross multiplication. The determinant of ABCD is AD minus BC. AD is the cross multiplication 2 into 9. BC is the another cross multiplication 3 into 4. So 2 into 9 18, 3 into 4 12. AD minus BC. Next -1 into, similarly 2 into 9 18, minus 3 into 1 3, plus 1 into 2 into 4 8, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Further simplifying, 18 minus 12 6, 18 minus 3 15, 8 minus 2 6. 1 into 6 6, minus 1 into 15 minus 15, 1 into 6 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 minus 5 is minus 3. So the determinant delta value -3. Then consider delta 1 and find the determinant of delta 1. So this is the matrix delta 1 from above, that is replacing the first row in A in coefficient matrix with the D163, you get delta 1. And finding the determinant with the same procedure, we are finding determinant along first row. So first element into, except the 2 numbers below, take the remaining 4. Except 6 3, take the 4 2 3 4 9. And for second element, change the sign -1 into, except 2 4, take the remaining 6 3 3 9. For third one, +1, except 3 9, take the remaining 4. And simplifying, 1 into cross multiplication AD minus BC, 2 into 9 18, 3 into 4 12, 6 into 9 54, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, AD minus BC, 6 into 4 24, minus 3 into 2 6, 18 minus 12 6, 54 minus 9 45, 24 minus 6 18, 1 into 6 6, 1 into 45 45, 1 into 18 18, 6 plus 18 24, minus 45 minus 21. So this is delta 1. Similarly, delta 2. So what is delta 2? Replacing the second column in A with D. So in place of 124, we take 163. So that becomes delta 2. So calculating delta 2 determinant 1. So except 2, 1, take the 4, 6, 3, 3, 9. So for minus 1, except 6, 3, take 2, 1, 3, 9. For plus 1, except 3, 9, take the remaining 2, 6, 1, 3. Cross multiplying 1 into 6 into 9, 54, minus 3, 3 ja 9, minus 1 into 2 into 9, 18, minus 3 into 1, 3. So 2, 3 ja 6, minus 6, 1 ja 6. 6, 6 will get cancelled, 0. 54 minus 9, 45. 18 minus 3, 15. 1 into 45, 1 into 15. 45 minus 15, 30. Delta 2 is 30. And delta 3, so this is replacing third column in A. మూడవ నిలువు వరుసను ఏలో డి మాత్రిక చేత దాన్ని రీప్లేస్ మార్చడం ద్వారా డెల్టా 3 వస్తుంది. దీని నిర్ధారకం 1 into 1 కింద ఉన్నటువంటి 2 నెంబర్లు వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 నెంబర్లను రాసుకోవాలి. 4 మూలకాలు మధ్యదానికి గుర్తు మార్చి ఆ మూలకము కింద ఉన్నటువంటి 2 మూలకాలు వదిలి మిగతా 4 మూలకాలు రాయాలి. అదేవిధంగా the last third element, except the 2 numbers below it, take the remaining 4 elements. 2, 2, 1, 4. And simplifying AD minus BC, 2, 3 ja 6, minus 6, 4 ja 12, 24. 2, 3 ja 6, minus 6, 1 ja 6. 2, 4 ja 8, minus 2, 1 ja 2. 6, 6 will get cancelled, 0. So 6 minus 24 minus 18, 8 minus 2, 6. 1 into minus 18, minus 18. 1 into 6, 6. Minus 18 plus 6, minus 12. Delta 3 is minus 12. After finding the 4 determinants delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, now the solution sadhana, x value is delta 1 by delta. So delta 1 value is minus 21, delta value minus 3, minus minus will get cancelled, 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja 7. So x value is 7, and y delta 2 by delta 2 value is 30, and delta value minus 3. So 3 10 ja 30, minus sign is there, minus 10. And z value delta 3 by delta minus 12 by minus 3, delta 3 value minus 12, minus minus will get cancelled, 3 4 ja 12. So 7 minus 10, 4 is the solution. X value 7, y minus 10, z 4. You can check the answer whether it is right or wrong by substituting these values in any one of the given equations. You can substitute either in first equation or second or third. They should satisfy all the 3 equations. You can check it. If they satisfy, your answer is right. If they don't, you have to check whether you committed any mistake and rectify it. మనకు ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టా కాదా అనేది తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఆ XY వాల్యూస్, XYZ వాల్యూస్ను ఇచ్చిన ఏదో ఒక సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించడం ద్వారా మన ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టా కాదా అనేది కూడా మనం చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మనము తప్పు చేయకుండా ఇది కరెక్ట్ అని నిర్ధారించుకున్న తర్వాత మనం ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కు ఈ అవకాశం ఉంది. You can check the answer whether it is right or wrong. If it is wrong, then you can check it back where you committed any mistake. Okay. If it satisfies, then your answer will be perfectly right. Next, అది బంద్ చేయలేదమ్మా స్టవ్. Let us consider one more problem. Solve the given equations by using Cramer's rule. X minus y plus 3z is equal to 5. 4x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. Minus x plus 3y plus z is equal to 5. In first step, convert them into matrix equation. So the coefficients of x, y, z in first equation as first row, coefficients of x, y, z in second equation as second row, 4, 2, minus 1. Coefficients of third equation, coefficients of x, y, z in third equation, minus 1, 3, 1 as third row. ఇట్లా మూడు సమీకరణాలలో ఉన్నటువంటి XYZ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ గుణకాలను ఒక మాత్రికగా రాస్తాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. లెట్ us name it as A. అండ్ సెకండ్ XYZ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో ఉన్న వేరియబుల్స్, 3 వేరియబుల్స్ XYZ వేరియబుల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, నేమ్ ఇట్ as capital X. And the coefficients, the constants 505, స్థిర రాశులు 505. So you should be careful. The constant term should be right side of the equal. ఇది ఒకవేళ ఎడమవైపు -5 గా ఉన్నట్టయితే దాన్ని మీరు ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ కు తీసుకువచ్చిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే కాన్స్టెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ రైటింగ్ ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ AX is equal to D, consider the 4 determinants. The first one, determinant of the coefficient matrix A. A యొక్క నిర్ధారకమే డెల్టా. ఏలో మొదటి నిలువు వరుసను స్థిర మాత్రిక D చేత మార్చి మొదటి నిలువు వరుస స్థానంలో Dని రాయగా వచ్చిన దాన్ని డెల్టా1 అంటాం. సో డెల్టా1 is replacing first column with constant matrix D. Delta2 replacing second column with D in A is delta2. Replacing third column with D is delta3. So delta, delta1, delta2, delta3. So find all these 4 determinants. So now let us find the first one, delta, that is the determinant of a given that is coefficient matrix A. So along the first row elements 1, except 4 minus 1, consider the remaining 4, 2 minus 1, 3, 1. For second element -1 is there, we have to change the sign for second element. If -1, take +1. And except the 2 numbers which are below and consider the remaining 4. ఈ 2, 3 వదిలిపెట్టి మిగిలిన 4 మూలకాలు 4 - 1 -1 1 తీసుకోవాలి. అదేవిధంగా థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్ 3 ఇంటూ దాని కింద ఉన్నటువంటి 2 మూలకాలు వదిలిపెట్టి మినహాయించి మిగతా 4 మూలకాలను తీసుకోవాలి. సో except those numbers which are below, take the remaining 4 numbers and simplify. So this is 2 into 1, just like cross multiplication, AD minus BC. 2 1 are 2, minus 3 into -1 -3. That minus and this middle minus will become minus into minus plus. And next 1 into 4 into 1 4, minus 1 becomes 1. 3 into 4 3 is 12, minus 2 into -1 -2, and minus will become plus 2. 2 plus 3 5, 4 1 minus 1 3, 12 plus 2 14. 1 into 5 5, 1 into 3 3, 3 into 14 42. 42 plus 3 plus 5 is 50. So the determinant is 50. Now delta 1 determinant 5 into, except 0 5, take the 4 elements, 2 minus 1 3 1. For -1 becomes plus 1, except 2 3, remaining 0 5 minus 1 1. For 3, except -1 1, take the remaining 4, 0 2 5 3. 5 into 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into -1 -3, -3 into minus plus 3. 0 into 1 0, 5 into -1 -5, minus into minus plus 5. 0 into 3 0, minus 5 into 2 10. 2 3 5 5 minus 10, 5 into 5 25, 1 into 5 5, 3 into -10 minus 30, 25 plus 5 30, minus 30 is 0. Delta 1 value is 0. And delta 2, so 1 into 0 minus 1 5 1, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So except 0 5, take the remaining 4. For 3, except -1 1, take the remaining 4. So 1 into 0 into 1 0, 5 into 1 minus 5. 5 into -1 minus 5, minus 5 into minus becomes plus 5. And minus 5 into 4 into 1, 4, minus 1 into -1 plus 1. 3 into 4 into 5, 20, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 0 0. So 0 5 5, 4 minus 1 3, 20 minus 0. 1 into 5 5, 5 into 3 minus 15, 3 into 20 60. 60 plus 5, 65 minus 15 is 50. Delta 2 value is 50. Next, consider delta 3. 1 into 2035, minus 1 becomes plus 1. So except 2 3, take the 4. And plus 5, except 0 5, take the remaining 4 2 minus 1 3. And 1 into 2 into 5 10, minus 3 into 0. And this minus 1 becomes plus 1. 1 into 4 into 5, 20, 1 into 0, 0. 5 into 4 into 3, 12, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus plus 2. So 1, 10 minus 0, 10, 20, 12 plus 2, 14. 1 into 10, 10, 1 into 20, 5 into 14, 70. 70, 10 plus 20 plus 70 is equal to 100. Delta 3 value is 100. Now, the solution, sadhana, x value is delta 1 by delta, that is 0 by 50, 0, 0 by anything, 0. Delta 1 value 0, delta value 50. And y value delta 2 by delta 2 value 50, delta value also 50. 50 by 50 is 1. Z delta 3 by delta 3 value 100, delta value 50. So 100 by 50 is 2. So the solution is x value 0, y value 1, z value 2. You can check it in rough whether this solution is right or wrong by substituting these xyz values in any one of the given equations. If they satisfy, then your answer is right. If they don't satisfy, that means we have committed a mistake somewhere. So you can check it back. So that way you can check your answer. Now let us consider, take up one more problem from the exercise, fifth problem. Solve the following system of equations by Cramer's rule. So 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. X minus y plus z is equal to 2. In first step, we have to convert the equations into a matrix equation. That is, the coefficients of first equation, for coefficients of x, y, z in first equation 2, minus 1, 3. Coefficients of second x, y, z in second equation 1, 1, 1. Coefficients of x, y, z in third equation 1, minus 1, 1. So all the coefficients, with all the coefficients, you get first matrix A. So the second matrix will be x, y, z. Third one will be the constant matrix, Sthira Rasi Matrika. So first one A, second one X, third one D anukunte. A into X is equal to D is the matrix equation. So in first step, converting them into matrix equation. In next step, consider the four determinants, delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta, the determinant of A, the coefficient matrix. So you should observe the notation for matrix will be the bracket, and notation for determinant will be these lines, just like modulus. So నిర్ధారకానికి కేవలం రెండు గీతలు మధ్యలో రాస్తాం. మాత్రిక అన్నప్పుడు బ్రాకెట్ లో సూచిస్తాం. ఇది మీరు గమనించాలి. Should notice this. The determinant we write only lines. So for matrix we use bracket. So here these four are determinants, delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta is the determinant of A, and delta 1 is the determinant of this replacing first column with D, delta 2 replacing second column with D, delta 3 replacing third column with D. So this taking four determinants like this and find their values. The first one, delta. So in the same method, first number into the four except those which are below the number, and taking the remaining 4. So for middle one, change the sign and except those which are below the number, take the remaining 4. And the third number, except the 2 numbers below, take the remaining 4 and simplify just like cross multiplication 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus into minus plus 1 1 into 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 minus 1 3 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 1 simplifying 2 into 1 plus 1 2 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 into 2 4 3 into minus 2 minus 6 1 into 0 0 4 into minus 6 minus 2. So the determinant is minus 2. That is delta value is minus 2. Now delta 1. So this is the determinant obtained by replacing the first column with the constant matrix D. Same procedure. 9 into except 6 2 remaining 4 minus 1 becomes plus 1. So my 1 plus 1 into except 1 minus 1 remaining 4. The third plus 3 into except those numbers below remaining 6 remaining 4 6 1 2 minus 1 and calculating 1 into 1 9 into 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 minus into minus becomes plus 1. So for this one 6 into 1 6 minus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 6 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1 2 6 minus 2 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. 9 2 is 18 1 4 is 4 3 into minus 8 minus 24. 18 plus 4 22 minus 24 is minus 2. Delta 1 value is minus 2. Now take this delta 2, that is replacing second column by D, that is with 962. రెండవ నిలువు వరుస స్థానంలో స్థిర మాత్రికలో ఉన్న 962 ను రాయగా వచ్చేది డెల్టా 2 అండ్ ద డిటర్మినెంట్ 2 ఇంటూ ఈ దాని కింద ఉన్న 2 వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 6 1 2 1 ప్లస్ 9 బికమ్స్ మైనస్ 9. ఈ 9 కింద ఉన్న 2 వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 3 ఇంటూ 3 కింద ఉన్న 2 వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 రాసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇది ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ ఫార్ములాతో ఈ 2/2 మ్యాట్రిసెస్ డిటర్మినెంట్ రాస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ 6 into 1 క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లాగా 6 into 1 minus 2 into 1 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 1 into 2 minus 1 into 6. So 6 minus 2 4 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 6 minus 4 2 into 4 8 9 into 0 0 3 into minus 4 minus 12 plus 8. So this is minus 4. Next delta 3, this is replacing third column with D and determinant by using same method. 2 into 2 కింద ఉన్న 2 వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 minus 1 plus 1 గా మారుతుంది. minus 1 కింద ఉన్న 2 నెంబర్స్ వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా 4 9 కింద ఉన్న 2 నెంబర్లు వదిలిపెట్టి 6 2 మిగతా 4 రాసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత సింప్లిఫై 1 2 జా 2 6 1 జా 6. సో మైనస్ 6 వస్తుంది, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. 1 2 జా 2 1 6 జా 6 1 1 జా minus 1 1 1 జా 1 2 8 జా 6 plus 2 8 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2. 2 8 is 16, 1 minus 4 minus 4, 9 minus 2 minus 18. Minus 18 minus 4 minus 22. 16 minus 22 minus 6. So after finding delta 1, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, the 4 determinants, the solution will be x value delta 1 by delta 1 ante minus 2, delta ante kuda minus 2. So minus 2 by minus 2, 1. Y value delta 2 by delta 2 value minus 4, delta value minus 2, minus minus will get cancelled, 2, 2 is 4, 2. Z delta 3 by delta, minus minus will get cancelled, so 2, 3 is 6. The solution is x value 1, y value 2, z value 3. And in rough, you can check the answer whether it is right or wrong by substituting these values x, y, z in the any one of the given equations. Consider one more, that is seventh equation. Seventh question in the exercise. Solve by Cramer's rule. 2x minus 5y plus 3z is equal to 8. Minus x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. In first step, convert them into matrix equation. The first one, coefficients of x, y, z in the three equations will be the first matrix. This is coefficient matrix. And x, y, z is the second matrix, variable matrix. And the constants 840 will be the constant matrix, that is D. So Ax is equal to D, the matrix equation. After writing matrix equation, consider the four determinants. The first one is determinant of the A, delta. Second one is replacing first column with D, delta 1. Replacing second column with D is delta 2. Replacing third column with D is delta 3. After writing these four determinants, then calculate them. So delta 2 into the remaining four numbers, minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 1 into except 2, 1, the remaining four numbers, and 3 into except those numbers below, and remaining 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 1. Simplifying 2 into minus 4, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 4, minus 3 into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 3 into 2. So minus 8, minus 1, minus 9, 4, 3, 1, minus 1, 6, minus 7. 2 9 ja, minus 18, 1 into 1. 3 into minus 7, minus 21. Minus 18, minus 21, minus 39 plus 1 is minus 38. This is delta. Next, delta 1. 8 into remaining 4 numbers, minus 1 into the remaining, except 2, 1, remaining 4 numbers. 3 into except minus 4, 1 minus 4, remaining 4 numbers. And simplifying by AD minus BC, just like cross multiplication. 2 into minus 4, minus 1 into 1. 4 into minus 4, minus 0 into 1. 4 into 1, minus 0 into 2. That is 8 minus 8, minus 1, minus 9, minus 16, minus 0, 4 minus 0. 8 into 9, 72, minus 72. 1 into 16, minus 16. 3 into 4, 12. 72 minus 16 is minus 88 plus 12. minus 76. Delta 1 is minus 76. Similarly, you can find delta 2, delta 3 with the same procedure. For delta 2, 2 into remaining 4, 8 becomes minus 8. So except 4, 0 remaining 4. 3 into except 1 minus 4 remaining 4. And simplify 4 into minus 4, 1 into 0, minus 1 minus 4 plus 4, minus 1 into 3, minus 1 0, minus 3 into 4. So minus 16, 4 minus 3 1, minus 12. 2 into minus 16 minus 32, minus 8 into 1, minus 8, 3 into minus 12, minus 36. Minus 32 minus 8, 40, 40 minus 36, minus 76. Delta 2 value is minus 76. Adding all these three, all negative numbers. Delta 3, so 2 into remaining 4, minus 1 into remaining minus 1340, 8 into the remaining 4. So remember this, for second, you have to change the sign. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. 2 into 0, minus 1 into 4. 1 into minus 1, 0, minus 3 into 4. 8 into minus 1, 1, minus 3 into 2. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 1 into 12, minus 12. 8 into minus 7, minus 56. So all negative numbers, adding all, you will get minus 76. So after finding all four determinants, delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, now the solution will be x value delta 1 by delta, y delta 2 by delta, z delta 3 by delta. It is easy to remember also. So for all these x, y, z, the denominator will be delta. Only for x delta 1, y delta 2, z delta 3. So the denominator is delta only. If you divide delta 1 by delta, you get x. If you divide delta 2 by delta, you will get y. If you divide delta 3 by delta, you will get z. So that is 2, 2, 2. The solution is 2, 2, 2, x value 2, y value 2, z value 2. And you can check by substituting these values in any one of the given equations. You can check it whether it is right or wrong. So in this way, you can calculate the solution. You can find the solution for given system of simultaneous equations in 3 variables. So you practice some more problems from the exercise and also from the solved problems in the textbook, so that you will become perfect. So practice makes man perfect. So if you practice more number of problems, it will be easy for you. So as it is very important concept, so there are number of problems in the exercise and also in the text solved problems. So you have to practice more number of problems. Of course, each and every problem from the text, so that you will become familiar, you will become perfect in that concept. I hope you practice other problems also. So thank you for watching, and prepare your notes and practice the other problems also. Thank you for watching.